Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Why HSL is important to upregulate the muscle growth? So that is the basically it is not a directly link, but it is the secondary stimulation of the synthesis of the growth of the muscle, synthesis of the protein, and lead to grow your muscle after the injury, after the exercise. So anyhow, let's understand about that. The HSL is the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme are present in the adipose tissue where the fat is developed. So the HSL is the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme triggered due to the growth hormone. So remember that things. And in this way, why it is important for the growth of the muscle? That is we will discuss in this video. So basically, the insulin buffering is requirement for the spike of the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme. How? Basically, the insulin spike is not a good thing. So in this way, you should buffer the insulin. So the buffering of the insulin will basically get the health benefit, like the glucose level will maintain in your blood circulatory system, also decrease the inflammation, as well as decrease the appetite, and on the other hand, the inflammation prevention and the loss of a lot more electrolyte will prevent. So intracellular cation prevention and a lot more things. So remember about that thing. Basically, the consumption of high sugar, which that increase the urination to lose everything. Electrolytes will lead to cause dehydration. So dehydration basically is not due to the less water drinking, but the electrolyte depletion also cause the dehydration, which that is important. But anyhow, we are just understanding about how to increase the growth hormone. So for the synthesis of the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme. So in this way, basically the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme will increase due to the growth hormone spike. So remember about that thing, and buffering of the insulin. For how it is possible, let's understand about that. The four things which that is important for this upregulation. How? Like the ketogenic diet, exercise, and the fasting, as well as the good sleep, which that and the caloric restriction with the ketogenic diet and fasting. So in this way, you will buffer the insulin, and the buffering of the insulin will spike the growth hormone, and the growth hormone will spike will target to the adipose tissue. When target to the adipose tissue will lead to lipolysis. Lipo means the breakdown of the fat, the lipolysis. So the breakdown of the fat will convert into the free fatty acid, and that go into the cellular tissue like the muscle, and will lead to produce more ATP. While the free fatty acid will go into the liver to produce extra free fatty acid to produce glucose through gluconeogenesis, the new process of the production of the glucose. While on the other hand, the free fatty acid will convert into the cholesterol in the presence of the HMG-CoA enzyme in the liver, and in this way will produce more cholesterol, and that cholesterol will go into the Leydig cell of the testes, and when go into the Leydig cell of the testes and near the skin to activation the vitamin D. So the vitamin D will increase for the bone health, while on the other hand the muscle strength and muscle growth will increase due to the cholesterol will go into the Leydig cell of the testes and produce more testosterone from the cholesterol, because the testosterone produced from the cholesterol. So you should ketogenic diet with the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid will double the rate of the production of testosterone, and the testosterone is important for the growth of your muscle. And in this way, this is the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme activity, which that enhance due to the exercise, due to the fasting, due to the sleep, due to the ketogenic diet. While on the other hand, important thing you should need to understand, the growth hormone also function for the skin health, reverse the aging. It means it is the anti-aging, and the activity of the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme itself is the anti-aging, because the decrease of the fat will lead to decrease of the inflammation. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah Hafiz.